Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Divakar Singh. In this tutorial, we are going to implement animation on views like text views, images, or button. It is a famous animation which we have seen in our application like Facebook, in Instagram, LinkedIn. When we used to click a like button, or we can say like a heartbeat animation. So let's start. First, we are going to take a button which I have already here. Now I'm going to drag and drop the text view. Let's name it as anim text. Then just I'm going to drag and drop the image view so that in future if you want to add this animation on icon you can do it like this. So let's set its constant. From left and right to parent. Now as you can see all the constants has been set, but it has no spacing. So for spacing I can set the margin of all three views as 10 dp for better visibility. So here we have three views. Now I'm going to make a class my interpolation which will give us a bouncy effect. Now I'm going to cut and copy the code from notepad toolbar and paste it over here so that this video can be short and simple. I'm doing nothing, just it is we are using this class only for the bouncy effect. To be clear, once the animation will be on the screen. Now I'm going to add one directory as anim to add my main animation class in which I will write the code for animation which will do the icon from short to big, or we can say minimize to be maximize. I will take this code, just copy and paste it over here. It has duration of 1.5 second and it will start the icon from 0.3 to 1. So first the icon will be small, then it will get big in 1.5 seconds. And this class this class will give the bounce effect. Interpolator is nothing, it is just like for adding some additional animation while the cycle of any view. So let's take our views. First one was the update count. First let me write the code for animation. So I have already written over here. In this code I'm going to explain what is in this code. This code I am taking the animation utils class dot load animation, which we are declaring the uh, anim anims directory class, which was bounce, and this is my bounce interpolator. And so my animation variable is set. Now I just have to set it to my views. dot set animation is equal to my name. Let me do this thing for other two views also. So let's run it and see how our animation is going to work. As soon as our class will get load, it will show this animation. So I can use this same animation on my badge count, as you have seen in many applications. When the notification comes, the badge count gets notified and give this same animation. So I can do it like this: notifications badges dot notification badge dot anim is equal to my anim. So every time I will click this button, update count, it will show the animation. So my class is getting load install, and now here we can see, so it has been loaded. Now whenever I will click on this button, it will show the animation of batch count. So that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment if you like this video. Bye bye.